one of the things that before we implemented our backlog and our inefficiency of back order, depending upon what the plant, what you look at from each individual plant, was significant. So our backlog in West Chicago, which was our furniture plant, was about 14 weeks. And it was loosely governed because we were so fixated on trying to get the perfect mix and the perfect daily goal. And by using sensor tracks and doing some analytical simplification, we said, okay, forget the mix, forget what we can't control and trying to control that. We have a standard output we need to meet every week to get our backlog down to where we want it to be. So in a matter of, I would say about 9 months, we've taken the backlog from 13 weeks down to 5.5 to 6 weeks, which, that's probably about $500,000 of unrealized revenue that was sitting in the backlog that we've now been able to clear.